Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zeke, and I'm so sorry I haven't been uploading videos since like a few months ago, or has it been a year, I think, but it's for quite a long time. But yeah, anyway, in today's video, I guess I just want to make like a short video of me making kek batik because entahlah rasa macam craving pula kan. So yeah, I mean they do have their own kek batik here in the UK. It's called Rocky Road, which usually contains gelatin, so it doesn't really match my dietary preference. So I guess I'm just gonna make one myself. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video, and if you do, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.